BRO. I was just walking to the fridge at 3 a.m. and out of nowhere the milk carton starts twerking on the top shelf like it. S auditioning for TikTok fame. I blinked ONC and suddenly the orange juice says, Naka, he mine. Next thing I know, the fridge light turns red like a boss battle, and the yogurt cup jumps off the shelf screaming, hit my last life, as it splats on the floor. I try to close the fridge, but the cheese drawer slides out like WWE entrance, slaps my hand, and says, we fight at dawn. Meanwhile, the toaster in the corner starts vibrating, like it is about to transform into an Autobot, and the microwave just hums menacingly, like it knows my search history. The worst part? The milk stops twerking, looks me dead in the soul, and whispers, you should have went to sleep, bozo. Then the fridge door beats itself shut and locks like it just grounded me. Now I'm hungry, traumatized, and scared to breathe near dairy ever again.